When the tides were so high and strong, you gave me shelter from the rain. On an
Hi guys, so as you all know, 1Team1Dream is heading back to Jamaica to do a clothing and toy drive for the Christmas season to help those persons who are less fortunate or those who have been affected by the hurricane. And today we're at the Lakeside High School collecting some donation from some students who took on the initiative to make this a Christmas project for them to give back to those who are in need. So we're here collecting these items and we'll show you guys everything that we're about to do for this initiative this Christmas.
So, on behalf of the 1Team1Dream Trust Charity and Trust Foundation, want to extend our gratitude for you guys supporting us on our journey, enabling us to give back to our community and help and touch where we can touch. We really appreciate it very much, and I want to say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you.
Okay. Hi guys, it's another day and today we're heading down to St. Elizabeth to do our second half of our charity work where we're doing some clothing and toy drive. Well, it's mostly clothing that we got, so that's what we're heading down to distribute today. We're gonna connect with some persons that are on the ground in St. Elizabeth at Lover's Leap, so that's where we're heading right now to just sort, distribute and do some form of, you know, giving back. I don't know if you guys remember, but we got some stuff from the school. I'm gonna insert the clip here to show you guys us picking up the stuff, and now we're gonna distribute. And babe been doing all the driving. What you have to say? Nothing?
It's a long drive.
Long journey, guys. Almost 3 hours. 3 hours. So from
the top was St. Anne.
yes, we're going from one side of the island to the other side, and we go through all the tolls. So now we're going through I don't know, the town before you get to Lover's Leap, because we're about 20 minutes out from Lover's Leap. So now Junction. We're just heading through Junction Town. Yes. So once we get to our final destination, we'll connect back with you guys and let you guys see exactly what we got going on. We're 14 minutes away. 14 minutes away. Yes, GPS work in Jamaica, so you can find anywhere, just like you're in foreign. Okay, so I'll see you guys when we get there. So we're doing our first drop off. These two are the most them work. Kidding.
No lie. From the first time till now, the most work. Especially Marcus. All Marcus does is give everybody one more job.
Yeah, you have one job.
Alright,
Yeah.
so we want to thank 1Team1Dream family for collaborating with West Palm Team and the Lovers League Foundation for actually reaching out to the people of St. Elizabeth. These people were hungry and they needed clothes and food and basic needs, yeah? And 1Team and 1Dream family came all the way from Atlanta and New York and came to support us. I want to thank you, Marcus,
Tammy?
Janelle, Jeremy, and Jeremy, yeah? I want to thank you guys very much. All of what you've donated will reach a far for the people of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. Alright, keep on doing the wonderful job. I know it doesn't stop here, and we'll reach a far way. Right? It's the holiday and it's the new year, and you're feeding and clothing people going into there. Trust me, this is really good. Alright, I want to thank you again. We're looking
Thank you so
forward
much.
to
Thank
We'll
you.
be back. We'll be back.
One team.
One dream.
So we are heading to our second drop-off location, which is the Middle Quarters Infant and Primary School, and we're just doing a drive-through to see the updated look here in St. Elizabeth, Black River area, December 30th, and this is what it's currently looking like. You know, people still without roof. It's still touching to see it because we haven't drove this side the first time we came down, so seeing this now in person, it's still kind of touching. But yeah, you guys can just take a look at what it's looking at like now, December 30th, 2025.
Help me to stand firm when I was weak. All the tears that I cried in pain was meant to be. And you inspired the best in me, so I could stand for what I believe. Give me peace that surpasses all eternity. Yeah. In the eye of the hurricane, I heard you whisper and call my name. I am a witness of your quickness to rescue me. Well, I am a witness of your quickness to rescue me. Well,
So guys, we're at Middle Quarters All Age School, and this is where we'll be doing the drop off for some of the items that we had received from you guys. So the guys here, they're just unloading the vehicle to hand over to the school so that they can, you know, sort it and give it out to the persons who really need it. And here we have Tammy, Super Tammy B, one team. And back there they have, this was like a temporary clinic site, pop-up hospital thing that they had. And if you guys realize from the last vlog, this is the area that we were the last time in St. Elizabeth. We went all the way up in those hills up there to give the distributions. But this time we just drive a different direction. So yeah, this is it. Yes, all of them.
All of them. You can't lift it up by yourself.
A heavy 70 pounds.
Wasn't so hot there, yeah, one brand.
Our merit certificate.
Yes.
You guys are taking a picture?
Yes.
Yeah, man. And listen, that place makes
St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. When Alpata was from Portland.
Quarters Primary School, Primary and Infant School, and we are here with 1Team1Dream charity group who have provided all of these stuff for our students, and we are very appreciative of it, and we thank you for coming, and I know that the kids will find these useful, and if things are here for the adults,
Yes.
they will find them useful, and we appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you. So this wraps up our Hurricane Melissa giving back, and this is the end of our vlog. Not the end of our journey, but the end of our vlog. So you guys can just take in the serene Holland bamboo that's growing back, and it looks so lush and green and makes my heart so happy. Until next time, walk good.